Hey guys, this is Guido from Redhead Honda. I guess it's Redhead Honda. Yeah, whatever. You know, the channel that's above or below my head. Yeah. We're removing Daniel's. That's your phone. Okay. We're removing Daniel's catalytic converter and header right now. This crap is hot, but that's what makes the bolts come out easier. So. This is the worst mistake of my life. I waited till the last bolt on the try one, the rotary gasket, to just go ahead and let this fall because it is hot and I don't want to catch it. Daniel doesn't want to catch it. Do you guys want to catch it? I don't know. It's not working anymore because it's too loose. It's not going no more. What? No, it does, but
he doesn't want to touch it. Hey, you just cussed on your video. You did a swore.
Oh, I did a swore. Delete that.
Delete. Edit it out. Never. Never edit it out. Maybe it's just on there forever. It wants.
Yeah, cat still's hecka hot. Obviously, that's what your issue is.
Ah! I mean, ah!
The cat's out. Catless. Look, it's cat delete. Guys, look, it's cat delete. Let me be obnoxious. But yeah, so cat's out. It's gonna be replaced with wherever the other cat is. Meow. Yeah, this one over here. It's
It does this.
yeah, it does this. Yeah, Magnaflow cat. I don't know why they built it like this. Mine wasn't built like this. It's loose on both ends. There you go. To show. It's like a shake weight. All right. We're gonna throw that in there. So do like.
Except mine's bigger.
Just picture me just tossing it in there. There you go. Just. Okay. There's a little sneeze for you guys. Okay, there's a bracket. I don't know if you guys can see what I'm doing right here. But there's a bracket that's attached to the intake manifold that goes down, that attaches right there. I already took the bolt out. Right there, you can see right in the middle of the screen. I already took the bolt out, and the bracket goes all the way down to the header. Whereas our other header over there, it's not focusing at all, but it's over there, does not have it. This piece right here. So we're just disconnecting all of this because no one runs it. And yeah, so it just cleans up a lot less room, a lot less to work on. So I already took out the other bolt that's up there. I'm taking out this one right now, right there. And then all this is coming out.
Still recording.
Look at my long boy. To get in those hard to reach places. 9 out of 10 doctors recommend. Oh, it's also got a plastic clip on it. Okay, that's lovely.
It's gonna fall.
No, there's a plastic clip on it.
I mean, if you just leave it there, it should just fall off while I'm driving down the road and I won't have to worry about it, right?
Yeah, right? No. We'll get that disconnected. And then you'll be squared away. Unless you want to just...
Look at those pasty white hands. Those manly, pasty white hands.
Boom.
So sexy hands.
So that should have cleared up a lot. So PCI box, or whatever the freak it's called, is available to get to now. Intake manifold's fine. All these brackets are not needed. This bracket should be free, so it comes off with the header, and boom. The back of the engine's pretty much cleared up just from one bracket. So,
Boom, bada bing, bada boom. My name
right.
is Guido.
So now we gotta lower the vehicle and do the other stuff. But wait, there's more. I'm just gonna replace the downpipe so that it's easier. Because of that is in the way. So we're gonna do the downpipe first, and then we're gonna bring it down and take out the header, install the new one, and raise it back up. There we go. Yeah, that's a lot better. Now go. Bye. The big inner impact one.
Puppy has come to visit me. Hello. Hi. Oh, so sweet. Oh, so nice. Oh, you. Oh, you. Oh. So, I think it's really funny that Guido gave me this and called it a donut. And then I immediately tried to put it in my mouth to eat it. And he, like, without looking at me, turned and said, "It's not for eating." He knows me so well. Great job.
Great job. All right, now we're removing. Yup, what the heck? Did I grab the 14 again? Yes, I did. These are 12s. So we're just removing the header. Bye header. Or the exhaust, not header, but exhaust shield and header. They're both gonna go. Should be 3 bolts. The last one being cut out of the way. Why is this bolt so long? Pull your dipstick out.
Dipstick. You dipstick.
What the heck?
Wow, having a hard time finding the right hole, huh?
Yeah, and the lights and shadows are messing with me hard. What the heck?
You gotta feel it.
Yep. Boom, there it is.
Oh.
Wow, it's actually not cracked like I thought it might have been. But hey, screw it anyways. We're about to get nice.
Looks grody.
Yeah, it's gross. We're about to get heckin' nice. So, obviously these, do it to all of them. And then remove, if you remove everything else that was attached to. The sensor we couldn't get out, even though we had the tool for it. So all we're gonna do is unplug this right here. And we'll have to get a new one later. Plug it up. Just like that. All right. And there we go. Finish the top. Now we gotta raise it back up and finish bolting up the bottom. We'll be doing headlights and other things later.
Why?
So we're changing my stuff, right? And we got all that junky, crappy parts. Oh, what do we do with it? Do we just throw it on the floor? No, we camouflage that and we freaking make it so no one knows. And we just leave it there.